Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into one of the most powerful new features from OpenAI, the ChatGPT Agent Builder. I'll show you how to build your own AI agent step by step, plus share mind-blowing use cases that can change how you work, create, and even make money online. So what is ChatGPT Agent Builder? It's a tool inside ChatGPT that lets you create your own custom AI assistant, also called GPTs, without writing any code. You can train them for a specific tasks like content writing, business planning, coding, editing, or even customer support. So, to access it, you can just open ChatGPT and then click on Explore. This one in here. And then here you can just find the agent builder. So you can just create, and this will be open the agent builder workspace. So you can just search for agent in here and find the agent builder. You can see there are lots of options in here. You can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to go with this agent builder right here. You can just tap on start chat, and in here you can choose which one. For example, this one. You can, if you want to build one, you can just choose a name and add an instruction like, for example, you are a professional video scriptwriter who writes engaging and viral YouTube tutorials. And then you can just upload sample script or a document, and this will help the AI learn your tone and format. So here's where things get crazy and powerful. You can just talk about real world use cases. For example, for business automation agent, you can use the ChatGPT Agent Builder to handle customer inquiries or write marketing emails instantly. And then for content creator agent, you can ask them to generate scripts, captions, and thumbnails automatically. And if you want to have personal assistant agent, it can manage your to-do list, emails, and scheduling. And these are just the beginning. People are even building AI coaches, storytellers, and game masters. So that's how you can build your powerful ChatGPT agents and use them for just about anything. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.